finished the gym and now it's time to do some running. My New Year resolution is to stay healthy, train quite a lot, looks good, and what a better way to do that than having a new hair system. Yesterday got my new hair system fitted at Hair for All and the result is incredible. What I love about Hair for All hair system is the front line looks brilliant, looks natural. Look at this. I'm so happy with the results. If you've got any question about the hair system, where to get the best hair system quality and very affordable prices, Hair for All is the place. As I said, if you've got a question about the hair system, send me an email on the email down below. And now it's time to do some running. See you soon, guys.